In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Search Console data to Looker Studio using its native connector. This is a fantastic way to visualize and analyze your search data for better insights into your website's performance. We'll walk through each step carefully, exploring how to set up your data source and start building informative reports. To get started, open Looker Studio and look for the option labeled Create. Then select Data Source from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, if you are already in a blank report, simply click on Add Data. This will open up a list of available connectors that you can use within Looker Studio. Now, in the connector list, type in Google Search Console to search for it, and once you find it, select it. Upon selecting the connector, you'll be prompted to authorize the connection. This step is crucial because it allows Looker Studio to access your Google Search Console data. You'll need to grant permission by clicking Accept or Authorize. With this authorization, Looker Studio can seamlessly pull in your data. On the setup screen, you'll have to make a few selections. First, choose the specific site property in Google Search Console that you want to examine. This is where your data will be sourced from. Next, decide on the table or report type. If you're interested in overall site data, opt for Site Impressions. If you're focusing on individual URLs, select URL Impressions. Both options provide valuable insights, depending on your objectives. After selecting the report type, choose your search type. This varies based on what search traffic you're analyzing, be it web, image, video, or news. This selection will tailor the data to match the kind of search activity you want to analyze. Once you've made these selections, click Connect to link the data source. This connection opens up a list of available fields, both dimensions and metrics, that you can use to enrich your report. Take this opportunity to review the fields available. You can rename them for clarity, change their data types if necessary, or even hide fields that aren't relevant to your analysis. When you're satisfied with your setup, click Add to Report or Create Report to start building your report. Within your report, you have the freedom to add various elements like charts, tables, and graphs. Utilize dimensions such as query, page, country, and device, and integrate metrics like clicks, impressions, CTR, click-through rate, and average position to hone in on key insights. Finally, make full use of date range controls and filters. These tools let you refine your view and focus on specific time frames or aspects of your data, leading to more meaningful analysis. With these steps, you've successfully connected Google Search Console to Looker Studio, setting up your data for powerful reporting and visualization. Happy analyzing!